Here, water is being colored. We can easily visualize the behavior of water once it is being subjected to heat. It goes up, and as it reaches to the top, it goes down because its temperature is getting colder. What you see suggests that as the temperature decreases, the liquid starts to go down and goes back to the bottom, and it rises again as it is being subjected to heat. It is how the behavior of the magma of your mantle, that goes up, and as it reaches to the edge, it goes back to the bottom, and the heated mantle rises up again. So as the water cools down, it goes down. Like the mantle also, as it cools down, it goes down. But when it goes down, it pulls down the lithosphere. In this case, the lithosphere is termed as the slab. So there's a slab pull due to the going down of the magma that cools down back to the bottom. Then that movement is what we call convection current. So the pulling down of the slab is not due to the magma that continue to rise up, but it is the magma that goes down, the slab or the lithosphere to go down. So in this image, it is more clearer, or it is clearer how it moves. So the center of the magma that goes up continued to rise up, causing the creation of mountain ridge or oceanic ridge. The magma goes down, causing the plate to widen, so that there is seafloor spreading that happens. The going down of the magma is pulling the plates. There is slab pulling or slab pull. Plate also from the ridge, there is that ridge push. The process that you see is convection current. So convection current is the reason why these plates are moving. So what is convection current? Convection current is a single or multi-phase fluid flow that occurs spontaneously due to combined effects of material heterogeneity.